Sam and I are having a riddle battle, and so far he's winning.
Why are you so surprised?
What can I puzzle you with?
Nothing! I am an all-knowing and almighty slime!
Looks like it. Aha! What runs but never walks? Often murmurs but never talks. Has a bed but never sleeps. Has a mouth but never eats.
Skunk!
Why?
I don't know. Aha! Robot duck!
No, Sammy, it's a river. I won.
Just this once. My turn! Oh, yes, this is a good one. Tell me, Sue. What lives in the winter, dies in the summer, and grows with its roots upward?
An icicle.
Oh, you are scrappy.
How about this riddle, Sam? How is it possible to drink out of a liquid?
What?
I'll let you think a little. Guys, what interesting riddles do you know? Pause the video right now and leave a comment below.
So, drinking out of a liquid is nonsense!
No it isn't. And I'll prove it to you with one awesome experiment.
Yay, experiments!
First, let's mix together 170 grams of strawberry jello, 85 grams plain gelatin, and about 300 milliliters of hot water. Now, stir it well to make sure everything dissolves. It's the instant kind of jello, so it only takes a few minutes.
I have the best riddle!
Shoot!
Which is heavier, a kilogram of bricks or a kilogram of feathers?
The same. A pound is a pound.
Ah! Smarty pants! Sue, I need your help.
Maybe later?
Now! It's very, very urgent!
What's up?
I think I'm losing my shape.
What?
It, seems like I gained a few grams.
I can't hear you. Speak up.
I'm fat!
Oh, that is nonsense. Let me see. Hey, Sam, I can't lift you up. Come on, let's weigh you.
For everyone to see, never!
I don't think you'll weigh more than an apple.
Apple? Where?
Let me weigh you, and you'll get a sweet, juicy apple.
You know how to press my buttons. I can't watch. How much?
222 grams of gorgeous.
222 grams? I feel
Oh,
nauseous.
such a drama king. Guys, do you think Sam looks okay? Give this video a thumbs up right now to prove Sam that he looks great. And while you're on it, I'll get back to our liquid craft. Let's see how the mixture's doing. Looks great! Because of the high concentration of gelatin, it's already dense and gooey. But for us, it's perfect. Now, I'll take 500 and 250 milliliter plastic cups and make 4 holes in each of them. Be very careful with sharp things like skewers, guys. The holes need to be spaced out evenly. Sam, are you measuring your height too?
No, my waistline. Although I've gotten so fat that it probably equals my height. Oh! Silly beauty standards. Why does society tell me how to look? What do they even know about the slime figure? More slime, the better. That's always the case. Huh? What? Is this tape not enough for my waist? Oh, hi, you cat! Give it back. It's not a toy. Oh, beauty hurts.
And one last hole right here. I'll pour the mixture into a larger cup till this point. Done! Now I'll put the smaller cup inside. Hey, Sammy, where's the small cup?
Oh, I'm stuck! I'm stuck! So help me, dear!
You're just like Winnie the Pooh.
You mean that fat bear that got stuck in a tree? Why, thank you, friend. And I called her a deer.
What? Has Sam lost his sense of humor? To keep the cup from floating, I'll insert the skewers into the holes. And let's add some water inside to give the inner cup a right shape.
Well, my waist is still here. And from the side, also very handsome. Oh, it's just so hard to be perfect. But I have to keep myself in shape. Oh, wait. I need exercise. I got it here somewhere. No, not this. Oh, candy. No, Sam. Well, maybe after. Here it is! My yoga mat. I need to find the perfect spot to open up all the chakras and stuff. Maybe here? No, that's where Fluffy plays. He'll be in my way. Here! This is perfect. I am so ready! Inhale. Exhale. Namaste. Okay, let's start with downward facing dog. Stretching. Oopsie. Oh no, I don't think this is for me.
I made another cup with lemon jello, and the liquid glasses are almost ready. Now I'll let them sit in the fridge for 6 hours.
Wait. It'll be a jello cup, not a liquid cup. Right!
Technically, no.
What else can I do? Basketball? No, not with my height. Maybe weights? I'll be so strong too! Yeah! Oh, I'm kidding. Oh, running! I can do that! Ready, set, go! Going strong. Okay, U-turn. Speeding up. Overcoming the obstacle! It's harder to breathe. Water!
Sammy, what is it? Are you okay?
I was just trying to lose weight.
Sammy, come on. Your body is perfect as it is.
I don't know. Maybe exercise is not for me. I better keep dieting.
Then you won't be able to eat candy.
Ever?
At all.
Well, if you insist I'm perfect, then I won't argue. You do insist, don't you?
Big time. It looks like the jello solidified, and now we can pour the water out and free our jello cups. Here, Sammy, look! It's pretty much water with expanded gelatin, and you drink out of it.
Holy cannoli, that's genius! I forgive you for being a fraud. Oh, I can see through it. Show me experiment with your experiment.
With pleasure. Guys, do you think my experiment was honest?
I don't even know anymore. Guys, if you think we both won, give a thumbs up!
And subscribe to the channel if you like the Jell-O cups. That's it for today. Bye, guys!
And the best part is that you can snack on a cup. Thank you.
Hey, Sam! I wanted to try the apple one too. It's not fair.
Technically fair. Does it have a lot of calories?